up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another upload. This weekend is an exciting weekend in the life of this truck. If you have paid attention to my Snapchat or paid attention to my Instagram story, you know exactly what is going to happen. We are preparing to take this thing into to have some body work and some paint work done. This is getting all foggy, all sorts of fogged up. It's so hot outside. There we go. Anyway, we're getting the truck, we're getting it ready to do some paint and body work on this thing. As you guys know, I've got some places that need body work done, and I'm going just to have the truck completely repainted, and everything's going to be perfect. Everything's going to be exactly how it needs to be, and I cannot wait. Yesterday, I ordered up some materials and a rocker panel and a bunch of stuff to get this process started. It's going to need a lot of tape, going to need a lot of masking paper, a lot of plastic sheeting, stuff like that, a lot of time, sandpaper, all that good stuff. And here we go again, and we've got a huge process to get started, and it's not going to happen like that. It's going to take a little while to get everything done, everything 100%. It's going to be, like I said, it's going to be a process, and I cannot wait just to get it started. I've been waiting a year. I've been waiting probably a couple of years. I've been wanting to do this for a couple of years. I wanted to do it last year, but we ended up buying this house, which didn't really allow for enough, I guess, open money in order to make this happen. Because if you guys know anything about paint and body, it's not a cheap process. It's not just a couple $100s to get it done. You've got to pay several thousand really to get it done, and to get it done right. And I just cannot wait to change this thing up. I can tell you guys right now, the black vinyl probably is not going to stick around, and the fender flares are not going to stick around. Those are the two things that I'm giving you on the truck and what we're going to be doing. I don't know if I've given any hints about the paint color or anything, but I think you guys are going to be pretty happy with everything and how it's going to turn out. One thing that I'm going to need for this process is going to be stock wheels and tires. The stock wheels and tires are going to make it a lot easier because it's going to shorten the truck up, make it a little bit easier to work with, and easier to pull the bed off of and just move it around and get everything done. I've got a buddy that lives pretty close to me, and he decided, he's got a set of wheels and tires that I could use that he's not using, just stock Chevy wheels and tires, and I'm going to be picking those up as well. And yeah, it's a process, guys. It's a process, and I cannot wait for the end result. It's gonna be cool. Now I know you guys are probably looking at this and you're thinking, well, I thought the truck was gonna get wrapped purple, and that's still the case. This rendering is still a plan. It's still going to happen, but you have to have a completely smooth, nice surface, clean surface to lay vinyl on, or else it's going to show each and every single imperfection on the truck, such as missing clear coat from the tops of the doors, or missing paint down here on the rocker panels, and then God forbid the fender flares where they've rubbed the paint off. All that will show right through that vinyl. You can't hide it, so you have to get it fixed, and we might as well fix it the right way. Okay, we've got a bunch of stuff loaded up in the truck, ready to go to my paint guy, including parts to my truck, and we may or may not be dropping the entire truck off today. Today's Sunday, so obviously this video is going to go over a couple of days, but we've got the Mustang's hood, bumper cover, and my replacement passenger side fender is loaded up to take and get everything resprayed, and we have to get the truck ready for a full paint. You know, it's just, the whole thing's getting painted, everything's getting repainted. You guys already know I've got a new rear bumper to put on here, and it's actually sitting right over here on the other side of the Mustang, and I'm just ready to get this thing going, get this show on the road. Alright, slight update on everything that's going on. We got all the Mustang parts taken to the painter. We're going to get that out of the way, get the hood and the bumper cover resprayed and repainted before even sending the truck off, because mainly I do not want to be down 2 vehicles at once. As soon as those parts come back, as soon as that hood gets repainted and we get the hood put back on the car, taking the car in, it's going to be restriped, and this car is going to look 100% different, and then we can move on to the rest of the truck. Now, We've got some more material in for the truck, as we could see, and I kind of did something a little bit more unexpected. I wasn't expecting to do this, but I got a brand new wheel and tire setup for the truck. That's right, we've got some nice stock GM wheels and some almost brand new General Grabber tires that we're going to be putting on the truck. And obviously, no, this is not something that I'm going to ever drive on. I don't really want to risk having anything happen to my Anthem wheels, and putting the smaller tires and wheels on the truck will make it a lot easier to work on. It'll make it a lot shorter, a lot easier to reach places, to sand, to paint, easier to take off the bumpers, the hood, stuff like that, and just make the whole process a lot easier. So I'm looking forward to putting those on because I can't wait to see what this truck looks like with a lift kit and stock size tires and wheels. Alright, so I use the truck for work one more time probably before it goes into paint, and I stuffed about 30 bags of mulch in the back. I occasionally do still use the truck for work purposes, but anyway, we're going to throw on our tires that we've got, our stock, what are these, 17, 16 inch wheels, and we're going to put it on the truck, and that'll be our setup we're going to take out to get the truck painted. And yeah, it's a long time coming. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this for like a year now, and finally able to, which is really nice because it'll be great to take kind of a fresh look truck to Lift the Truck Nationals in September, assuming that that is still going to happen. But anyhow, here's the rocker panel section that I got the other day so we could fix that rusted portion. So this will have enough on it to cover one whole side aside from the third door. So what that covers, and it's really weird on these extended cab trucks, so that'll cover the section under the passenger door, and then they actually have a separate section right here that does the third door portion. And as far as what I can tell, I don't think anything's happening with the cab corner or right here. So we've got this section that's kind of starting to go, and this section that's definitely already gone. Alright, so I know y'all know about the Carolina squat or the Cali lean or whatever, but I'm telling you guys, like this new tire and wheel setup blows all of that out of the water. Got him! That's what I'm talking about, guys. We're rocking the 16-inch stock Chevrolet wheels. I believe you could find them on any stock Tahoes, any stock newer Silverados. And man, let me tell you what, the stance on this thing is absolutely insane. We don't want offset. I do still have my 2-inch spacers, so we've got a nice little flush mount tire, very, very flush with the fender, and we're looking really good. I cannot wait to show this new design off to everybody at any truck show. Cannot wait to take this thing to Lift the Truck Nationals. Honestly, this blows everything else out of the water, guys. We don't need stance. We don't need offset. We don't need American Force wheels. We've got stocks and 245 tires. But that's about it. I think we are 100% ready to go, ready to take this thing in for paint, and I am beyond ready, beyond excited, and I hope you guys are too. I know this video wasn't too much, definitely nothing good, nothing major happened, but we are ready 100% to take this thing in to have it repainted. By the way, if you guys see the Bad Z71 shirts that I wear, I finally have a store set up through Teespring where you can go buy some merchandise. I've got tank tops, I've got t-shirts, I've got stickers, I think. And hit that link in the top of the description box. Check out that new store and get yourself some Bad Z71 logo merchandise. I'm going to do this for a limited time, and we're going to try to build up to 10,000 subscribers, and as soon as we hit 10,000, I will have special merchandise coming out for that. And the Boost Auto Parts tow mirror giveaway is also still happening at 10,000 subscribers. So be sure you go down below, click that subscribe button for me, smash the thumbs up on this video if you are ready to see this truck completely transform from this to something way, way better. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers before September, and you all have a good day.